Hello, welcome to the non-credit application tutorial for Citrus College Continuing Education. Go to citruscollege.edu/CE as in continuing education. Click on non-credit apply and register. Click on applying for non-credit admission and then click on the box at the bottom. First-time users, you want to click on first-time user account creation. Here you're going to create a username, make it specific for yourself. You also are going to create a password that is going to be numbers only, at least 6 numbers, but no more than 15 numbers. Verify the non-credit application and continue. Select the term you want to apply for and then enter your first and last name. This is the application checklist. Here you want to complete each section. Once a section is complete, the blue icon will change to a red check mark. On this page, you want to verify your first and last name that you entered earlier and click continue. Here you want to enter your permanent address and your phone number. So go ahead and enter your street address, the city you live in, the state and the zip code, and also fill out your phone number. On this page, you want to make sure that you answer all of the questions that have a red asterisk. Please note that all California adults are eligible for non-credit classes regardless of their citizenship status. For the email address, please make sure you enter in your personal email address correctly. All the communication from the school will be sent directly to the email address you enter here. So please just double check that information is correct. For this page, please enter all of your responses with a yes or a no. Verify the non-credit program and continue. So now our application checklist is complete. We notice that all of the sections have a red check mark, so now we are ready to submit our application. Read the admissions agreement and agree to the terms. Your application has been submitted. So at this time, we recommend that you write down your student ID number, then wait 24 hours to register for classes. If instead you receive this page, you will receive your student ID number within 3 business days to the email address you entered in this application.